Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope your new year is off to a great start. So today I'll be doing my curried cream salmon. So if you're new, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. So each time I post a video, you'll be one of the first to be notified. For my longtime viewers and my subscribers, thank you for being here. Continue to watch, like, share, comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. A lot more to come. And also remember to turn that notification bell on as well, so you can be one of the first to be notified when I put my video out. If this food or this meal is one that you want to see the finished product of, stay tuned after this short intro. So guys, as you can see, I have 2 pieces of salmon in some water with a lime, and this is just to get rid of the, cut the rawness of the salmon. So we're Jamaican, we like to wash our meat. So this is it, guys, the finished product, and trust me when I say that I know this will be tasting oh so good. Trying to get that focus. Guys, give this a try and tell me how you like it. I'm liking it very much. So guys, do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until then, love is what good.